welcome back to Lego King 501, and today I'm reviewing the set Racing Bike Transporter from Lego City. This set comes with 178 pieces, ages 5 to 12, and set name 60084. Here's the box. Here's the front of the box. Some more details. Building toy. On the top, it has just a little motorbike and a lot of the people. Then here's the actual size for the minifigure. On this side we have like a little club thing or something. Then concern. On the back of the box, just shows what you can do, like you can open that, you can bring the thing down, motorcycle down. Comes with 2 bags. Hey, the normal Lego City thing. And there's a trophy there, and they're racing. Yeah, then you can just drive it. I made the set so it would look from the front picture of the box like how that thing is like this, and it's sort of like that. But this guy who's riding the motorcycle also comes with this new cap and stuff. So let's get into the set. I'm gonna first show you the minifigures. We have this guy. No, he's like the driver, and then this. Oh god. And then I think I broke something. And this guy, you can also take this helmet off, put either the red helmet for him or just his hat. And do the same thing with this guy. You can put the red helmet or the black helmet. Gonna put the hats here for now. On the car, you put the helmets, motorcycle helmets, on these little racks. They don't attach, but it sort of holds it good. Then this set comes with 2 motorcycles, and then some stickers everywhere. I think there's some more inside the box. Wait. Just some empty stickers. Places. Stickers. Okay. Sort of over here. Yeah. And this name is 4, and this one's like 5. Maybe they could have done like 1, 2, 3, and then 1 do it, like maybe an other set. And this is sort of a mini set. You can open the doors. You can swing these around. You can open the roof and place a minifigure inside. Also, let's just get the minifigures away. Gonna deattach this part of the vehicle, the carrying part where the other car. Then this part goes down, so you can like make the motorcycle go down safely. And then also, if you just take that off, this thing can go down just like that. Stuff. Then you can place it back inside the car. Then you get this piece, this white piece, and just attach it like so. There's also a gasoline tank here, And then this car is sponsored by Octan, normal Lego, like oil department thing. And it says S Racing, and then some variety of stickers. Here's a trophy place. It has numbers 1, 2, 3, and it has this normal grade trophy. It's not shiny, but it's okay. It comes with also some extra pieces. Like, I don't know what you can make here. Like, you have 2 of these. You have also this 1x1 transparent orange like plate, and then you get this red transparent red stud that has no you know, like these things, like, I don't know. So I don't know what you can make. You can make maybe like a little gun, something. I don't know. This guy can go, hey, you're stealing my car. Kaboom, kaboom. I don't know. Then this extra piece, no one will notice. Yep. I almost forgot the instructions. It comes with 2 instructions. The one for the car and the one for the motorcycles. And the gasoline tank, also the trophy. It always has organizer things. Always says to, like, first bag, they also gave you that, not in the bag, like, so that plus that equals that, so. Then it always comes with the minifigures first, the helmets first, and yeah, simple basic instructions. Then the new wind thing, except they put a Spider-Man here. Then there's a collection of Swamp Police, Lego.com/city. And that's all. Then for this set, instruction manuals, you have the same person. The bag 2 equals that. Then you first make the instruction manual, you make the motorcycles, then you make that thing. Then yeah, then at the end, it gives you the new construction sets, the new series, the old sort of like new old thing, Arctic set. Then these are like old cars. They're just like $10 each. I have this van. I have that. Out of all this series. And then, yeah, I don't know why you would put a boat in the set for like $10. That's just like cheap to make like your boats thing. If you want to make like an ocean or something, that's like cheap. At the back there's like trains things. I don't think they even sell these. Not sure. But the boxes are new. Actually, the boxes are old, so I don't. Maybe they sell these. I don't know. So yeah, that's the whole set, guys. Thanks for watching. It looks pretty messy. They even changed the box, so. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.